Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update on the Blackout beta that is about to go live tomorrow morning for PS4. And I had been making videos showing you guys how to get the multiplayer beta for free. And I wanted to update you guys on the situation for the Blackout beta. Currently, if you downloaded the multiplayer beta, all you have to do is go into the application. It's going to update itself. It's going to be a little over 12.5 gigabytes. But if you didn't download the multiplayer beta and you don't have a code and you didn't pre-order, well, there's not going to be any way currently to get it for free. My previous videos had showed where you could make an account from Saudi Arabia and then also Hong Kong, and it would allow you to download the multiplayer beta for free. Well, I went and tried Saudi Arabia, and I tried this right before I made the video, so currently it is not working. So if you make an account in Saudi Arabia and then go into the PlayStation Store, it is going to tell you that you don't have access to it, that you need to pre-order Black Ops 4 to get access to the Blackout beta. So a Saudi Arabia PS4 profile is a no-go. It will not work for this Blackout beta. I'd also seen some people in the community say that they were able to get it with making a Russian account. So I went in and did that. It was pretty tricky, but I was able to create a Russian account, go into the store, and again, it said, no, you don't have access to this. You definitely have to pre-order Black Ops 4. You're not going to get free access. The last location I tried was Hong Kong, and again, made a profile, went into the store, and it said, no, you can't have access to it. You do have to pre-order. So Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, and Russia profiles do not work. If any of you guys know of locations that do currently work, definitely comment down below. I'll try them out. And if I find one that works, I will definitely update you guys and let y'all know. During the multiplayer beta, I was able to give away hundreds and hundreds of codes, and I had people donating them, and I am not sure if that's going to be the same situation for the Blackout. Right now, it's not looking too good, but if that changes, I'll definitely be giving them out on my Twitter. I was trying to make a video to show you guys how to get the Blackout beta for free, but that's not happening, so I thought I would go ahead and make this video, update you guys that currently, right now, there isn't a way. If something changes throughout the week and we do find a location or a way to do it, I will update you guys immediately, but hopefully this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.